Hello everyone, I'm Muhamad Fairuz from Breaking News, bringing you the latest news for today. Heavy rainfall over the past few days across Sumatra Island has caused flooding in several regions, including South Sumatra, Jambi, and West Sumatra. Since early morning, floodwater have inundated residential areas, reaching height of up to 1 meter, disrupting daily activities and damaging home and public facilities. Joint teams from the Regional Disaster Management Agency (BPBD), the Indonesian National Armed Force (TNI), the National Police (Polri), and volunteer evacuated affected residents, especially children, the elderly, and pregnant women. Evacuees were temporarily sheltered in village hall and school buildings, while aid such as ready-to-eat meals, clean water, blanket, and medicine was distributed. Local government urged residents to remain alert as heavy rainfall is still expected in the coming day. Damage assessments are ongoing. Authorities are working to speed up recovery efforts so communities can return to normal activities as soon as possible. That was our report on the flood affecting several regions in Sumatra. We will continue to bring you the latest update. Thank you for watching.